Hello everyone, welcome to VidyaBlaze. In this video, we will practice some questions of voice change. Here we have 20 questions for this video. Change active voice to passive voice. Question number 1. The dog chased the cat. Answer. The cat was chased by the dog. Question number 2. The dog beat the boy. If we change this to passive voice, it will be the boy was beaten by the dog. Number 3. The peon rang the bell. Answer. The bell was rung by the peon. 4. Ram played hockey. Answer. Hockey was played by Ram. 5. Miss Mary teaches us English. Answer. English is taught to us by Miss Mary. Raj caught the ball. The ball was caught by Raj. 7. Children like sweets. Answer. Sweets are liked by children. 8. Rita will take a photograph. Answer. A photograph will be taken by Rita. Number 9. Who taught you this poem? Answer. By whom were you taught this poem? Number 10. The police arrested the smuggler. Answer. The smuggler was arrested by police. 11. Shiva was flying a kite. Answer. A kite was being flown by Shiva. Number 12. The hunter shot the deer. The deer was shot by the hunter. 13. The lion attacked the zebra. Answer. The zebra was attacked by the lion. Number 14. Jasprit threw the ball. Answer. The ball was thrown by Jasprit. 15. Everyone loves Anita. Answer. Anita is loved by everyone. 16. My sister has drawn this portrait. Answer. This portrait has been drawn by my sister. 17. The people were helping the wounded woman. Answer. The wounded woman was being helped by the people. 18. Sam had taken the medicines. Answer. The medicines had been taken by Sam. 19. The player is taking extra time. Answer. Extra time is being taken by the player. 20. The cat ate the fish. Answer. The fish was eaten by the cat. So, these are the 20 practice questions for changing active voice to passive voice. In next video, we will also see some questions on changing from passive voice to active voice. That is it for this video. Thank you.